Alright, so I've placed in, so the ends was what's really bad on this. I just scabbed on a piece. It's not really that bad further back. This one is, but that's because there's a drain right next to it. So now we're going to put in a 2x6, 88.5, a little less than 8 foot, and it's going to sit on top of that steel right there, and then fasten to all these boards. And then we'll move on to a 10-footer after down through that way. We'll get it all cleaned up. Everything fastened with screws, not staples and nails.